This is your Monex Metals Market Update with Mike Maroney.
Good afternoon. It's Wednesday, May 9th. Mike Maroney coming from the Monex Precious Metals studio. Let's talk precious metals. We had an announcement yesterday that we felt could cause some major volatility as President Trump decided to back out of the Iran nuclear deal. Sent a little bit of a shockwave through the market as the dollar pulled back, gold and silver both rallied. But unfortunately today, both gold and silver somewhat failed at key resistance levels. Gold has resistance between 1318, 1320, could not get through, and silver has resistance right at 1666, which is the 20-day moving average basis of July. We hit that number exactly, and then we backed up. We need to get through those numbers in order for this market to catch a little bit of steam. But right now, it looks like the dollar continues to trend higher as the world is full of dollar loans. $8 trillion worth of emerging market dollar loans out there. So that supplies a solid base for the US dollar, even though we have the long-term debt situation and everything else going on here in this country. The dollar looks like in the short term could be going a little higher. Now, what I think is important to take out of this week is the fact that when you look at the announcement that was made on Tuesday, Mr. Trump backed out of the nuclear deal as far as Iran is concerned. Many people believe that Israel cannot allow Iran to even come close to possessing nuclear weapons, and that we're going to see some sort of event in the Middle East. Obviously, we've seen oil move from $50 a barrel to well over $70 a barrel. But what does this mean to you, the individual investor? It means that this type of event isn't a predictable event. It's something that's going to come out of nowhere. The proverbial black swan or the bus that hits you is typically not the one you're looking at. It's the one that you haven't thought about. And that's why owning precious metals right now, when you look at the rest of the markets out there, makes so much sense. Gold's high, 1940, I think, 2000 high is probably something a lot of people expect in the not so distant future. Silver trading at 1650 when its high was almost $50, and a lot of people expect $100 silver is possible in the not so distant future. Why not own physical silver, take delivery of it, have it in your hand, think about the long-term potential of this metal and the protection it gives you against a political, geopolitical event. I think we're on the brink of some major change as far as the Middle Eastern power structure, and that change is going to cause major disruptions as far as oil and other economic issues. Now may be one of the better times to give us a call so we can talk to you about how you could put physical precious metals in your hand. Give us a call today at Monex. Thank you.